Naiyak pa
Parang pawis yan, nila yata luha yan eh. Kaya laway. Grabe ka naman.
Ayan, thank you very
Sa
much.
happy birthday, Priha. Pag ang lahat, kayo mo tandaan, taste ganda pagka ano ha. Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you very much po. And of course, for the core is Sir Nino. Ayan. Wala pa. Ayan. Pogi ko. Ayan, so...
Happy birthday.
Ay, pa naman, mabait ka na, kaya ipagpatuloy mo na lang yan. Happy birthday.
And for the, it's number 5, Ma'am Abigail. Ayan. Ma'am Abigail po.
Wala na ba yung tao?
Happy birthday, Colleen.
Pinag-withdraw pa. Okay, thank you very much po. And for the next is si Ma'am Kay. Ate Kay.
Happy birthday, ate. Wish ko, sana mas magsipag pa sa pag-aaral. Saka makikinig kay mama at papa ko. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. And for the last, Sir Justina po ba? Tama po. Ayan.
Happy birthday, ate. Kumusta?
Gilid ka,
Mabuhay
oy.
na agad gusto mo.
Ayan. Thank you very much po. And please, everyone, so please stand up tayo po tayo lahat. And everyone, please stand up tayo po tayong lahat. And of course, mommy and daddy together we